Mr. Haydenfeld's 8th period class has been hard at work repairing school Chromebooks.
I teach computer science, various subjects. The classes I teach are Fundamentals of Computing, which is the freshman course, Computer Science Principles, which is kind of the next level, Computer Science Applications, which is the highest level, and then Robotics. So the way that we kind of took over the Chromebook repairs, I was talking with Mr. Gibson, and I was telling him like what kind of talent I had in the CSA course. We've got some very smart individuals, and so he had mentioned that it might be a good thing for the kids to do to work on their Chromebook. So it was kind of his idea. I brought it up to the kids, and they were really excited, so they wanted to run with it. So ever since then, he just brings us in the broken Chromebooks with kind of a note as far as what's wrong, and then the kids have to figure it out and fix it. The way that kids can get involved with this, to take CSA, you have to have first gone through Computer Science Principles, which is the class before it. It's a little higher level coding, some higher level activities, but that is a prerequisite. My part in this program is I kind of organize as far as what we need to accomplish for the day. One thing I don't want to have is like a lot of half-fixed computers lying around. So it's more directing the kids, okay, these are the things that we're going to get done today or that we can get done today. It's all up to them to get things fixed.
Participating students have really enjoyed doing the repairs.
We repair Chromebooks in computer science applications every Friday, 8th period. We got started helping with Chromebooks because our class was a little bit ahead of schedule. We were completing assignments quite quickly. And first we were kind of joking about it, like, hey, we can repair Chromebooks for the school. Gibson has a lot of Chromebooks that need repaired. And then just one day he came in and was like, hey, can you guys repair these? And now every Friday we repair Chromebooks. We've repaired a lot of screens on Chromebooks. Lately we've been repairing a lot of the motherboards and batteries because people keep plugging in their phone chargers into them, and you're not supposed to use them as a power bank because it can break some of the circuitry.
Students have been replacing more than just broken screens.
But if you have to repair something like the trackpad or keyboard, it takes a lot more time because you have to open up the bottom of the Chromebook, remove other parts like the battery, and then take the old part out, put a new part in, and then close everything up again. Favorite thing to repair would be the screens because they're really easy. You just pop open the frame, unscrew a couple screws and a wire, pop in the new screen, and then close it all back up.
If you or someone you know have any issues with your Chromebook, make sure to take them to Mr. Gibson's office in the Media Center.